Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Talent Chain India Private Limited. I am your host Babu sir, technical, quant, logical reasoning trainer. In my previous tutorial, I have discussed two methods. So in order to remove key value pairs from the dictionary. So those are del method and pop method. Now in this tutorial, I would like to discuss two more methods in order to remove the key value pairs from the dictionary. Those are pop item method and clear method. Now, without wasting much time, let us begin with the first method, that is pop item method. Now, let me write it over here. Pop item method. What is the use of this method? So this method will be used to remove the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. And do remember one more important point, that is it returns the key value pair, which was removed, in the form of tuple. So what is the role that this method will do? So this method will remove the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary, and it also returns the key value pair which was removed in the form of tuple. Do remember, the output will be in the form of tuple. So I hope you could understand. Now, if the dictionary is empty, then what will happen? So if dictionary is empty, since we don't have any other key value pairs in the dictionary, then what will happen? It raises an error. It raises key error. So do remember, so what I have conveyed. Now, let us write here the syntax for this method. Now, so we have to take, so dictionary name dot method name, that is pop item. So I hope you could understand what I have conveyed. So if you are going to use this pop item method, then what will happen? So it is going to remove the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary, right? So it also returns key value pair which was removed in the form of what? Tuple. So I hope you could understand. For better understanding, let me open my IDE and write few examples for this method. So let me write it here. So I'm going to create a dictionary, so with a name that is a DI. So to represent the dictionary, we are going to take curly brackets. So instead of using curly brackets over here, let us use the dict constructor, and let us take a equal to 1 here. These are the keyword arguments. Let me take b equal to 2, c equal to 3, d equal to 4, e is equal to 5. So I've created a dictionary with the 5 key value pairs. Now let me print di so that you could understand. Now a dictionary has been created. Now let us apply this method. So the syntax for this method is the dictionary name, that is di dot pop item. Now, so if you are executed over here, then what will happen? So this method will remove the last inserted key value pair, right? Let me execute it. So this key value pair has been removed. You could see here, this key value pair has been removed, right? So it returns what? In the form of tuple. Do remember. So if you want to store this removed pair, so you can store it by creating one variable. So I have created a store variable, right? Now you could print as per your requirement. Now, so since this key value pair has been removed, now let us see the new or updated dictionary. So let me print di. So dictionary has been modified. So as we have removed the last inserted key value pair. Now let me execute it. So this key value pair has been removed. So last inserted key value pair is this one. Now let us print even store. Now the key value pair which was removed is what? So e comma 5. So I hope the idea is clear to everybody. So if it is clear now, so let me erase all these things and let us take one empty dictionary. Let me print DI. Right? So one empty dictionary I have taken, right? So if dictionary is empty, now let us apply this method. So DI dot pop item. Since dictionary is empty, then it raises what? A key error. Do remember. So when dictionary is empty, if you are going to use pop item method, so it provides what? A key error. So do remember what I have conveyed. Now, so let us discuss the next method, that is the clear method. Let me erase this and let me write it here, the key method, clear method. So what is the role of this clear method? So this method will be used to remove all the key value pairs from the dictionary, all the key value pairs from the dictionary. So try to remember, right? So it removes all the key value pairs from the dictionary and provides what? An empty dictionary, right? Now, if dictionary is empty, then what will happen? If dictionary is empty, then in this particular case, it does not raises any error. It does not raises any error. But in my previous method, that is pop item method, it raises an error. That is what? Key error. So try to understand the difference between pop item method and clear method. Right? So in this particular case, it does not raises any error, right? Now let me write here the syntax for this method. So dictionary name dot clear, right? So when you're going to use this method, it will remove all the key value pairs from the dictionary. So do remember what I have conveyed. Now let me execute a few examples in my IDE so that you could understand in a better way of this method. Now let me open over here. Now, so I am going to create one dictionary. So again, I'm using dict constructor and let us pass keyword arguments. Right. Now let me print DI. So dictionary. So dictionary has been created. Now let us apply the clear method. Right. Now let me execute it. Now let me print DI. Right. So when you have applied this method, so what is the role of this method? So this method is going to return what? So it clears all the key value pairs from the dictionary. It removes all the key value pairs from the dictionary. Now let me execute it. It provides an empty dictionary. You could see here. It provides an empty dictionary, right? So it modifies the dictionary, right? It modifies the dictionary, right? Suppose, let me remove this. Let me write here comment. And here, if you are writing print statement, then what will happen? So as like the previous method, what the pop item method is returned. So if you are writing di dot pop item, so it provides the item that which we have removed it, right? So last inserted key value pair, it returns. Whereas this clear method, so does not return anything. So suppose if you are using here print statement, it provides none. So try to understand the difference between this method and the previous method, right? So now let me print here di so that it provides what? An empty dictionary. So it removes all the key value pairs from the dictionary. So I hope this method is clear to everybody, right? Now, if you observe here, so this variable name is not removed. Whereas if I have used del method, let me copy it. and paste it over here. So now let me use here del method and del di, right? Now, so it removes the complete dictionary. It removes the complete dictionary. Now, if you are going to print di, now you will be getting error. Now you could see, so dictionary name is not there, right? Di. So with the name of di, so dictionary is not there, right? So even a variable also will be removed, right, from the memory. So I hope you could understand the difference between clear method and del method. So in this clear method, so di dictionary will be there, but so it is what an empty. So del method, so completely it was removed, right? So hope everybody clearly understood. So what I have conveyed, right? So we have discussed the four methods in order to remove the key value pairs from the dictionary. Those are del method, pop item method, and clear method. Now let us discuss len method as well. So len method, the role is what? So let me erase this. Now len method. So it this method will be used for what? This method will be used to get the length of the dictionary. The length of the dictionary. Here, length means what? Number of key value pairs. Let me write it here. Number of key value pairs. Here, length means what? Number of key value pairs. Key value pairs, which are there in the dictionary. Right? Now, so this method is going to return integer value. This method is going to return what? Integer value. So do remember. Now, if you want to know the syntax for this method, so it's a built-in method, so that you could write here len of the dictionary name. Here you have to pass object. So here object is the dictionary. Suppose if dictionary name is A, so len of A. So it provides what? An integer value. So it counts number of key value pairs which are there in the dictionary. So it counts what? Number of key value pairs which are there in the dictionary. Now, so let me write one example in my IDE so that you could understand in a better way. So let us remove all these things. Now, let me use len method. So len of di. Now, as I told you already, it provides what number of key value pairs from the dictionary. So here, 5 key value pairs are there. So it returns 5. So if you want, you could use print statement as well. So I hope you could understand the len method as well, right? So in this tutorial, I have discussed two methods, that is pop item method and clear method, in order to remove key value pairs from the dictionary. And we have learned len method as well. So len method provides what? It counts number of key value pairs which are there from the dictionary. Suppose if one more point here, if dictionary does not have any key value pairs, so in this particular case, so it returns what? 0. So I hope you could understand the methods which we have discussed in this presentation. So if you clearly understood all the methods which we have discussed in this presentation, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.